This tutorial review will show you how to create 3D text in Photoshop. First of all, take a background and take a new layer. Select text tool. Type in your text. Once you entered your text, select here the select tool and position your text. Right click on the text layer and select rasterize type. Hold Ctrl and Alt simultaneously and press arrow left and top perspectively. To make copy of your layer, do it for 50 times. Double click on this top layer. Enable Bevel and Emboss and give here the size 7. Give angle 135. Now go to color overlay and click on blend mode and select overlay, and you can select any color for your overlay here. Click on OK. Now we need to copy these effects, so right clicks on this layer, copy layer style. Now we need to paste these effects for all layers. So select all of your layers, right click any of the selected layer, paste layer style, scroll up and select the upper layer and double click on this layer. Select drop shadow, click on blend mode, select overlay and click on this color box. Select a color from here. OK. Select gradient overlay. Click this gradient drop down. Click here. Select a color. Click on OK. And this is the final result. That's how we can create 3D text in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.